Have you ever wondered what would happen if you took all the equations from a math textbook and turned them into delicious desserts? Well, wonder no more, my friends, because in this video, we are going to do just that. We're going to take some classic engineering equations and turn them into cakes. That's right, we're going to have a go at making the perfect Pi Day cake. But before we get started, let me introduce myself. I am a middle school math teacher with a passion for all things math and science. And if that sounds like a good time, then make sure to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. So for our first equation, we're going to start with something simple. We all know that the area of a circle is calculated by pi times or squared. But did you know that you can also use this formula to make a really cool looking cake? Let's take a look. We'll start by making two circles, one large circle and one small circle. The radius of the large circle will be 6 inches and the radius of the small circle will be 2 inches. Now we need to calculate the area of each circle. Using the formula pi r squared, we get 36 pi for the large circle and for pi for the small circle. But we're not done yet. We need to subtract the area of the small circle from the area of the large circle. This gives us an area of 32 for our final circle. And we can cut out the center circle and we'll have a delicious looking ring of cake. But we can't stop there. We need to make sure that our cake is stable. So we'll need to add some support beams. We can do this by drawing lines from the center of each side of the large circle to the center of the small circle. This will create 4 equally spaced lines of support. Now we can carefully cut out the center circle and we'll have a delicious looking ring of cake with support beams. Now it's time to decorate. We can use frosting to write out the equation for the area of a circle. If we wanted to, we could even add little cherries on top of the circles to represent the Pi Day symbol. And that's it. We've taken the classic math equation for the area of a circle and turned it into a delicious dessert. But we're not done yet. We still have one more equation to go. So make sure to watch until the end of the video to see what other equation we turn into a cake. And that's it. We've taken the classic math equation for the area of a triangle and turned it into a delicious dessert. But we're not done yet. We still have one more equation to go. So make sure to watch until the end of the video to see what other equation we turn into a cake.